Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage ACM settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U monitor. So firstly, what we want to do is you want to click the power button once. Don't hold it, just to open up the menu right at the bottom, right in the corner on the right side. Let's click it again to open the bigger menu. And here we need to go over the picture, and right here we have the ACM settings. So as you guys can see, we can enable them, and look at what happens with our screen. We're automatically getting a lot of brightness. The colors are kind of more vibrant, but overall it's just the brightness thing, and that's basically how you guys can manage that setting. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.